Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our vlog Bangalore to Rameshwaram road trip. Please do not skip the video and watch it completely so that you don't miss any details. Finally, from Ramnathpura we reached to Pamban Bridge.
देखो यही रेलवे वाला ब्रिज वहाँ बना है, समझिए बगल में नया। ये पाम्पन ब्रिज है, समुंदर पर बना हुआ है और इसमें रेलवे
हमको खुद बहुत डर लगता है
के द्वारा नया पुल देखो जो वहाँ बना हुआ है वहीं पर उठता है। हाँ, उद्दू को जो खंभा दिख रहा है ना वही पूरा अप हो जाता है।
तो क्या है इधर में निकलते से बाहर।
Near Pamban Bridge. This is the new bridge constructed, not yet being inaugurated. This is the old bridge. This is the road bridge. These two are the rail bridges. You can see that where it gets open from both sides. So there is a new one, there is the old one. Hello. Hi Advait. Are you enjoying? You are liking the view? Yes. We are clicking some photos here. Actually, you cannot actually park here, but still a lot of people are there, so we also thought to stop and take some pictures. You can see a lot of boats, ships, small ships that side. This side, sea. Oh. Pani, yes, pani. Water, sea, fish. क्या है? Fish.
पापा
Now we'll again start from here to reach the temple. Let us go.
कौन रूम है लेकिन वहाँ नहीं है।
ये वाला जो देखिए ना ऊपर है।
We crossed the bridge, but upon reaching Rameshwaram, we got stuck into a huge traffic and also came to know that temple was closed from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. for some kind of function.
इसी के लिए लेट कर रहा था।
एलिफेंट इधर से देखो एलिफेंट देखा
सब पूजा कर रहा है।
Finally, we reached to the main gate of the temple and started looking for parking. You will get lot of parking space when you take left turn. You will get some parking space after some distance. There are lot of open places which they have converted to parking. तो गाइस हमारा फिर से पोपट हुआ आज अद्वैत
क्या पोपट
कि हमारा मंदिर ही बंद है। आज कुछ इवेंट है, फंक्शन है, कोई शुभ दिन है आज, तो उनका कुछ अलग फंक्शन चल रहा है, तो मंदिर इज क्लोज टिल 3 o'clock। तो क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग आ गए धनुषकोटी, ठीक है, और अभी आपको दिखाएंगे धनुषकोटी का सीन। और हमने मम्मी पापा को छोड़ दिया वहीं पे ताकि वो लोग अपना पूजा पाठ कर लें वहाँ पे, और हम लोग निकल गए धनुषकोटी क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है आज। हम लोग 2.5-3 घंटे से हम लोग जाम में फंसे हुए थे आज, क्योंकि उन्होंने फंक्शन की वजह से सारा रोड्स वगैरह बंद कर दिया है, तो सारे लोग परेशान हैं। कोई किधर जा रहा है, कोई किधर जा रहा है, एकदम पतली पतली गलियां हैं रोड्स के नाम पे, बहुत मुश्किल हुआ। वी चोज ए रॉन्ग डे टू विजिट रामेश्वरम, इट्स नॉट अ राइट डे टू कम हियर। हम लोग लिटरली गाइस इस रोड पे चल रहे हैं, हमारे दोनों तरफ बस इतनी सी ज़मीन है बस। यहाँ पे आपको प्लास्टिक्स वगैरह यूज़ करना अलाउड नहीं है, थ्रो करना अलाउड नहीं है, नो पूप एंड पी जोन है, वो भी ध्यान रखना है आपको। तो गाइस नाउ वी आर ड्राइविंग अलोंग द सी, यू कैन सी द सी, सी दिस सी। अद्वैत, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
यस।
ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग एंड ऑफ इंडिया पहुंच चुके हैं, ओनली दिस मच इज लेफ्ट। आ गए बीच पे, फाइनली वी आर एट द बीच, धनुषकोडी बीच। there is still some distance to cover, but it's very crowded, so we decided not to go there. And we have parked our vehicle here only. We'll enjoy in this area somewhere. Already few kids are taking bath, so we'll go there and so we are done with our visit to Dhanushkoti, and now we are leaving. Kids are all settled down. They enjoyed a lot. Now it's time to go back to Rameshwaram. We had left from Dhanushkoti, and while our way back to Rameshwaram again, we are stopping at this restaurant called Golden Cafe Restaurant. You can see this one. We don't know how the food will be, but there are very limited options here. Limited good option. So we are going to try this. This is the first major restaurant that we saw on the way. So let us go and try. We picked up our mom and dad from Rameshwaram, and then our way back to Ramanathpura, we again enjoyed the sunset at Pamban Bridge, and then continued our journey to reach Madurai. So we are into the third day of our trip, and good morning. So we are in Madurai. Yesterday we started from Dhanushkoti and reached Madurai by 9:30. Reached to our hotel. So this hotel is called Rio Grande, where we are staying. So from Dhanushkoti we actually halted again in Ramnath Nagara for having our snacks, evening snacks and tea. And that was a 30-minute break, and then drove continuously to reach here Madurai. It took around 3 hours drive from Dhanushkoti. So today's plan is to visit Meenakshi temple. Then today only we'll start from Bangalore. So it is around 440 kilometers from here, 440 to 450 kilometers. So we are expecting to reach Bangalore by 8 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock also, it is fine. So today I'm going to drive a little bit slow. I was completely in the car, driving all the time, because I am the only one who is driving. So it's a little bit difficult, you know. It's a little bit hectic for your body, your mind. So I'll be a little bit slow, little bit gentle on the pedals today. Hopefully everything goes as per the plan. Right now we are going to have our breakfast, which is provided by the hotel itself. Everyone has already gone. I'm just going to join them. So see you later. Bye. So guys, now we are checking out from the hotel. Time is 9:37.
Ready. Chayo.
We started for Madurai temple from our hotel. We reached to the temple in 15-20 minutes, but we could not find parking. Temple parking was full. Upon asking to locals, we found some parking space near another temple, which was around 2 kilometers away from the temple. So we took an auto to reach the temple from here. We didn't see lot of crowd outside, so we thought it might take very little time to do darshana. But actually, inside the temple there was a long queue, and it took around 3 hours to complete darshana. Then again we took auto to reach to the parking area, and where we started for Bangalore. Guys, we are on the way to Bangalore. Still 230 kilometers away. we have stopped at this Namakkal Sweets and Bakery for a tea break. We'll have tea, some snacks here. I'm really tired. Doing darshana at Meenakshi temple took more than 3 hours with 2 small kids, and it is very much difficult. See their faces. What happened? See their faces. He was also standing for almost 2.5 hours in the queue. Really? You were standing right in the queue. How you were feeling? Good or tired? Right now you are good or tired? Tired. But you are sleeping now in the back seat. Huh? Then Papa is driving continuously. You want to have tea? No. Why? You like tea? Arre? Yesterday you had tea, no? Evening? Today also you had tea in the morning, breakfast at the hotel. Correct, no? Then you'll have coffee. Coffee? Okay, I'll cool it down and then we can have, okay?
Everything I like.
Everything you like. Good.
अब जाएंगे सीधा घर।
नहीं हम अभी और ट्रिप पे जाना
बहुत थक गया हूँ।
अनवी
हमारी हालत खराब है। बारिश भी स्टार्ट हो है।
Again, while coming back after Salem, we got stuck in traffic, which took around 20 minutes extra to cross that particular area. Luckily, while coming back, we took NH 844, which starts from Dharmsthala to Bangalore. It is still under construction, but a lot of areas already developed, so it saved 1.5 hours for us. You can also explore, you can check on internet, and you can also take this route. In total, we covered 1287 kilometers, guys. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comments. I'll try to answer each one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time, guys. Bye. See you. Take care.